Hey guys, we're on the way to MRP to get some extra parts for my engine rebuild. I'm so excited because my engine rebuild is almost done. Yeah, 70 or 80% done. Yeah guys, so we got some parts here. So I picked up the new water pump, new oil pump, also the MRP baffle sump. Here are some hardware we need. And so that's the thrust bearing. So the last time we forgot to order this, and we definitely need that one. And another bearing for the crankshaft. Yeah, let's look like the. You can see this one. Pretty good. I think it's steel structure. It's very solid. And we have the drain plug. Oh, I think is that the drain plug? Oh, the drain plug is there. Yeah, that's the drain plug. But this one probably another plug for the some kind of application. Let me see. Yeah, that's the manual for installation. And you can look at the design. So I'm not 100% sure how this works. You can see there are some kind of gate inside. Yeah, I have to learn how baffled oil sump work. Yeah, because this looks not too complicated, but just some gate underneath. And now we're gonna head to HRB now. So we're gonna deliver these parts, and hopefully Tom gonna show me some progress on the rebuild. So let's see. Yeah, we're here now again. So everything ready here, just waiting for install.
Everything ready is clean, prepped.
Yeah.
And we'll clear up the bearings, file get the rings.
Yeah.
Put your new crankshaft here, which has been balanced. The flywheel's been balanced. Polished it. So the block is here, it's all been painted. This is all ready for assembly. You just dropped off the last of the bearings, so we can final assemble it now.
Alright. So what else do we need?
I think you've got everything now.
Everything. So pretty much replace everything in the engine.
Yeah, everything from MRP, so that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Alright.
Have to get it this week.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe next time I come here already complete.
Maybe ready to go.
Alright, yeah. Thank you so much again.
Thank you.